quick question. Would you clap in a theater if no one else did? Or would you stay silent even if you loved the performance? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. In today's psychology series, we're diving into social psychology, how people think, feel, and behave in groups. Spoiler alert, we humans are way more influenced by others than we like to admit. What is social psychology? Social psychology is all about understanding how the presence of other people shapes our actions. Alone, you're one person. In a group, you can become braver, sillier, or sometimes a little reckless. Conformity. The chameleon effect. Ever laughed at a joke you didn't get just because everyone else was laughing? That's conformity. Classic experiments, like Solomon Ash's line test, showed that people will literally give a wrong answer just to fit in with the group. Turns out, our brains hate standing out. Obedience, the Milgram shock study. Then there's obedience. Stanley Milgram's famous experiment revealed that ordinary people would follow instructions, even to the point of shocking someone, simply because an authority figure told them to. Scary, but it helps explain why humans obey rules, even when they conflict with personal morals. Group behavior, the crowd effect. Groups also create interesting dynamics. Sometimes, groups make us perform better, like cheering teammates at a game. Other times, groups make us lose our individuality, like people acting wilder at concerts or protests than they would alone. Psychologists call this de-individuation. Basically, crowds can bring out our best or our worst. Modern example. Think about social media. TikTok challenges, viral memes, cancel culture. They're all proof that human behavior is deeply shaped by group influence, even if that group is just strangers online. Why it matters. Understanding social psychology helps us see why we follow trends, how peer pressure works, and how leaders, influencers, or even friends shape our behavior every single day. It's not just about psychology. It's about understanding us as social beings. So here's the takeaway. Whether in classrooms, offices, stadiums, or online platforms, social psychology explains why we don't just act as individuals. We act as part of a group. And in the next episode, we'll tackle a very important topic: prejudice, stereotypes, and discrimination. Why they exist, how they harm society, and what psychology suggests we can do to reduce them. Check the playlist link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't. And remember, we're all influenced by groups, so let's make those groups positive ones.